Hello, and welcome to our podcast. Today, we're talking about a place you've probably seen many times, but maybe never really noticed in detail. Yes, we're talking about the train station. A train station isn't just a place where people travel. It's a little world on its own, where everyone is there for a reason. Someone for work, someone for school, someone just going home. This podcast matters because it connects you to everyday experiences from around the world. We'll show you how small interactions, conversations, and even overlooked moments at a train station can actually improve your English and communication skills. If you ignore these opportunities, you might miss out on practical, real-life English situations, like asking for directions, buying a ticket, or simply talking to a stranger. These moments happen again and again in life, and being prepared makes a real difference. Our podcast is different because we don't rely on heavy editing, flashy energy, or fake excitement. We're not doing classroom-style teaching. Here, you'll hear real conversations between real people, natural, simple, and practical. We talk through experiences, small funny moments, and real-life situations. That's what makes it special. You're not just learning English, you're feeling how English actually works in real life. So, let's begin this journey into the small but surprisingly meaningful world of the train station.
So first things first, Lucas. When you walk into a train station for the first time, what hits you immediately?
The noise. Oh man, all those announcements, footsteps, rolling suitcases, and of course the chatter. It's like a city in one building.
Totally. And don't forget the smell. A mix of coffee, food stalls, and sometimes a little steam from the engines.
Yeah, kind of like adventure in the air, right?
Exactly. And it's so colorful too. People with luggage, station signs, and sometimes even street performers.
Oh yes, that reminds me. One time I saw a guy playing the guitar in the station and everyone just stopped for a second. Magic moment.
Okay, let's talk about buying tickets. Always a little stressful, right?
Oh yes, sometimes the lines are massive and then you have to figure out the right counter. Domestic, international, platform 3, oh boy.
Been there. I usually just look for a digital machine now. Press a few buttons, pay with a card, and boom, ticket in hand.
True, but don't forget the classic paper ticket. There's something nostalgic about it. You know, peeling it from the machine and hearing that little chop-chop noise.
Oh yes, the sound itself is satisfying.
And here's a question. Have you ever accidentally gone to the wrong counter?
Oh yes, twice. I stood in the international line thinking I was buying a local ticket. People looked at me like I was crazy.
Classic. All right, let's move on. The platforms. These are always interesting.
Totally. Each platform is like a mini world. You have people waiting with snacks, chatting with friends, and sometimes even sleeping on benches.
Yep, and the announcement comes, train arriving on platform 2, and suddenly everyone moves at the speed of light.
Yes, the platform becomes this crazy river of people and luggage. And watch out for the rolling suitcases. They're like small, speeding robots.
Exactly. And speaking of trains, seeing that first carriage pull in gives me goosebumps every time.
One of my favorite things at a train station is people watching. Oh my gosh, so many stories.
Yes, there's always that person hugging someone goodbye, or that little kid running after their parent with excitement.
Or the travelers checking their phones nervously. Is this my train? Oh wait, platform 4? Oh no, 6?
Yes, and don't forget the sleepy passengers just trying to survive until the next stop.
People watching is actually a little vocabulary lesson too. You notice words like ticket checker, porter, or announcement without even trying.
Oh, we have to talk about train sounds. The whistles, the rumble, the wheels on tracks, iconic.
Totally. Sometimes it's loud enough that you feel it in your chest, and sometimes it's kind of relaxing, like a rhythm.
Yes, and it makes me think of all the travel possibilities. Adventure. Where will this train take me today?
Exactly. And don't you love the sound of doors closing? That ding is like a countdown to a journey. Speaking of stations, we can't ignore the food stalls. Chips, coffee, sandwiches, the chai.
Chai and the samosas. Yeah, that's the station's unofficial welcome snack.
I swear, I sometimes go to a train station just for the food, not even the train ride.
And what about those people selling snacks on the platform while you wait? Chips, tea, coffee? Always tempting.
Oh, yes. It's like mini adventure in food, and perfect for practicing English too, asking how much or can I have one?
Have you ever misunderstood an announcement at a train station?
Oh, yes. Train delayed on platform 3. Train to what? I'm just standing there nodding like I understand.
Classic. And then you see someone running and you follow like, oh, that must be my train.
Exactly. It's part of the fun. Chaos and adventure mixed.
And here's another fun thing. Sometimes the announcements are really funny or confusing, like passengers are advised to, and then I completely forget the rest.
Yes, English listening practice in real life without even realizing it. And let's not forget those unexpected little moments. Like, I once saw a man proposing on a platform mid-announcement, just dropping to one knee.
Whoa, wow, that's dramatic. Perfect train station story.
Or the street performers suddenly playing music in the middle of waiting. Everyone stops, takes videos. Trains can wait, apparently.
Yes, train stations are like little stages for random life stories.
But okay, let's be real. Sometimes waiting at a station can be boring.
True, and it tests your patience, right? You check the board, check your watch. Oh, still 20 minutes.
Yes, but that's when people get creative. Some read, some chat, some practice English with strangers.
Or scroll endlessly on the phone, which is probably why we all have the train station scrolling skill perfected.
Oh, and the emotional part. Goodbyes. Watching someone board a train, that's always something.
Yeah, the hugs, the waves, even the tears makes the station feel like, I don't know, life itself.
Exactly. And as travelers, we kind of live those little stories every day. Makes English conversations easier too, talking about feelings and people.
Hey, want to do a quick role play? Pretend you're buying a ticket. I'm the counter guy.
Okay. Hello, I want one ticket to Central Station, please.
Sure, one way or return.
One way, please. How much?
That's $5. Cash or card?
Card, please. Thank you.
Haha, see? Easy. And that's like real life English. No textbooks needed.
Yes, fun and practical.
You know, stations are full of unexpected words too. Platform, departure, arrival, ticket checker.
And even signs like mind the gap or priority seating. I love how everyday English just surrounds you.
Yep, and listening to announcements helps with understanding speed and accents.
Oh yes, because real English isn't slow and perfect, it's lively, just like a train station.
Okay, picture this. You finally see your train, your heart beats faster, adrenaline.
Haha, yes. That moment when everyone rushes to the right carriage and you're like, wait, is this mine?
Exactly. And that little moment of panic, did I check the right seat?
Oh, the seat numbers. Sometimes I just stand there looking confused, hoping someone will help.
And then you realize everyone else is also confused. Misery loves company.
Haha, yes. And when you finally sit, it feels like victory. Little throne, finally. But wait, don't forget luggage. Carrying big bags up the stairs or trying to fit them in the racks.
Yes, that awkward moment when the bag barely fits and you're pushing it with all your strength.
Or that feeling when someone asks, "Can I put my bag next to yours?" And you think, sure, if it doesn't crush me.
Luggage battles are real. But hey, it's English practice too. Excuse me, can I place my bag here?
Exactly. Super practical phrases without even noticing.
One of the best parts? Meeting new people. Train rides are full of mini conversations.
Yes, you might sit next to someone and start with, "Hi, is this seat free?"
Or, are you going to Central Station too? And suddenly, you have a travel buddy.
And sometimes those conversations are hilarious. Like, "Do you know which stop comes next?" And they're like, I think?
Yes, real English is messy, friendly, and fun.
I love observing people while on the train. There's always someone sleeping, someone eating, someone reading, and someone looking out the window totally lost in thought.
Exactly. And the sounds, the train itself, announcements, laughter, it's like a live movie.
And sometimes unexpected things happen. I once saw a man teaching his kid how to play chess on the train.
Wow, a moving chess class. That's dedication.
And yes, snacks continue. Eating on the train is a whole experience.
Little packets of chips, sandwiches, coffee, chai, everyone eating, sharing, offering to strangers sometimes.
Exactly. And it's also English practice. Can I have some water? Where is the snack cart?
Yes, and watching people negotiate with the food vendors, classic real-life English. Oh, and the mini adventures on the train, like chasing the bathroom or trying to get the attention of the conductor.
Yes. Or the unexpected delays. Oh no, we're stopping here for 10 minutes or 30 or maybe more?
And then everyone makes friends while waiting, sharing snacks, stories, or just joking around.
Exactly. A train ride is like a tiny moving world. English is happening everywhere. Hey, Lucas, quick role play. Pretend I'm lost on the train.
Okay, excuse me, can you help me find the restroom?
Yes. Oh, thank you. Which way is it?
Just down the aisle, second door on your left.
Perfect. And see, that's practical English you use in real life.
Totally. No boring textbooks needed. You know, stations are full of unexpected words too, like platform, departure, arrival, ticket checker.
And even signs like mind the gap or priority seating. I love how everyday English just surrounds you.
Yep, and listening to announcements helps with understanding speed and accents.
Oh yes, because real English isn't slow and perfect. It's lively, just like a train station.
Let's talk about train views. I love looking out the window. Fields, cities, rivers.
Me too. And sometimes you comment to the person next to you, "Wow, look at that mountain."
Or, is that a river or a road? And suddenly, conversation sparks.
Exactly. Beautiful scenery plus small talk is perfect English practice. Trains are full of surprises. Sometimes a passenger's phone rings with a funny ringtone.
Or a sudden rainstorm outside and everyone presses their faces to the window.
Yes. Or kids running up and down the aisle. Suddenly the train feels like a playground.
And you learn English through these little stories. Watch out. Careful. Do you need help? And you know what people do to pass time? Little games. Cards, word games, guessing games.
Yes, and playing with someone next to you is like English practice disguised as fun.
Haha, I Spy with My Little Eye, classic.
Or even mini quizzes about the towns you're passing. What's the name of that city?
Exactly. Learning without realizing it. That's the magic.
Finally, arriving at your station. The farewell moments.
Yes, the little goodbyes to new friends you met on the train.
And sometimes a big group hugs, waving hands, "See you," or "Take care."
That's the emotional part of travel, and English again, everywhere. After the journey, I always think, wow, I learned so much English today just by observing, talking, and experiencing.
Haha, yes. And even just noticing signs, announcements, and conversations helps a lot.
Train stations are like tiny English schools without books or exams.
Exactly. Adventure plus English as winning combo. Quick, fun recap of words we casually use today. Platform, boarding, announcement, ticket, luggage, snack cart, aisle, destination, departure, arrival.
Yep, and we didn't even have to sit in a classroom to use them.
Real English. Alive, moving, and fun.
So friends, the lesson is every place around you is an English adventure. Train station, bus stop, park, all opportunities.
Exactly. Don't wait for a perfect classroom. Just speak, listen, and observe. Even small chats help.
And remember, mistakes are part of the fun. Laugh, learn, and keep going.
Yes, that's how you really improve, step by step.
So that's it for our train station adventure.
Hope you enjoyed traveling with us and picked up some fun English along the way.
If you loved this journey, hit that like button, subscribe to Flash Fountain, and don't forget to comment. Tell us your funniest train station story.
Yes, we want to read your experiences. And hey, share with your friends too. English learning is way more fun together.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep speaking, and keep having fun with English.
Bye, everyone. See you on the next adventure.
Bye, and don't forget, every place you go is a classroom if you just look and listen.